Hi, today I have DOOGEE S Punk and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open Google Chrome application. Choose three dots on the right corner and there scroll and look for settings selection. In it we must choose our Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our smartphone remember and we can manage it. We must click on it, enter our look screen to get connected to these passwords. In it, we can copy our username and passwords using this first icon, or when we choose this eyes icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this icon, or edit all by tap on edit and write something in username, passwords or note. After you change something, remember to press save. The last thing which we can do with it is delete our password by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.